Welcome to our series on great philosophers. Today we explore Zeno of Elea, an ancient Greek philosopher born around 490 BCE. Zeno is best known for his paradoxes, which challenge our understanding of motion and plurality, and support the ideas of his mentor Parmenides that reality is one, changeless, and indivisible. Although rooted in ancient metaphysics, Zeno's insights continue to impact modern philosophical and scientific debates, particularly in areas like quantum mechanics and the theory of relativity. Throughout this episode, we'll delve into Zeno's paradoxes and explore their lasting significance in unraveling the mysteries of reality. Join us in this fascinating journey into the mind of a philosopher who bridges the ancient and the modern worlds with his profound and timeless ideas. Zeno's paradoxes delve into the heart of philosophical inquiry, questioning the concept of motion. Let's begin with one of his most famous paradoxes, Achilles and the tortoise. Here, a swift runner, Achilles, can never overtake a slow-moving tortoise if the latter has a head start. By the time Achilles reaches the tortoise's starting point, the tortoise has moved further. This challenges our understanding of speed and distance. Another perplexing paradox is the dichotomy. It states that reaching any destination is impossible because one must always cover half the remaining distance first, implying an infinite number of steps. Then there's the arrow paradox, where an arrow in flight is motionless at every instant of its trajectory, questioning how motion can exist at all. Finally, the stadium paradox examines the relativity of motion. These paradoxes collectively push us to reconsider the coherence of motion and infinity, reminding us that our grasp of reality is often more complex than it appears. Zeno's work remains profoundly relevant, continuing to provoke thought in modern scientific and mathematical contexts. Zeno's paradoxes have fascinating modern implications, resonating strongly with current mathematical and scientific inquiries. Take, for example, calculus. The dichotomy paradox, positing that one can never reach a destination because there are infinite halfway points to cross, mirrors the fundamental principles in calculus about limits and convergence. This concept was pivotal to developments made by Newton and Leibniz. Similarly, in quantum mechanics and the theory of relativity, Zeno's questions about the nature of space, time, and motion continue to be deeply relevant. His paradoxes illustrate the inherent complexities of these concepts and remind us of the ongoing nature of scientific progress. Imagine the incessant pursuit of self-improvement, continuously setting new goals and striving for betterment, all while recognizing that true perfection remains elusive. This echoes Zeno's notion of infinite divisibility, highlighting that progress and goals are perpetually evolving as we advance. Thus, Zeno's ancient wisdom not only underpins much of modern science, but also serves as a powerful analogy for our continual journey toward growth and understanding in contemporary life. Zeno's paradoxes hold deeper significance beyond their mathematical challenges. They invite us to engage in philosophical exploration and critical thinking. By unraveling these paradoxes, we're encouraged to question our perceptions and the apparent truths we often take for granted. This process of inquiry and logical consistency forms the bedrock of philosophical wisdom. Zeno teaches us that by challenging and examining the complexities of reality, we can deepen our understanding and appreciation of the world around us. His paradoxes serve as a powerful reminder that wisdom often lies in questioning the seemingly obvious. Philosophers like Immanuel Kant, Bertrand Russell, and Martin Heidegger built on the ideas of Zeno of Elea in their own profound ways. Kant, for instance, emphasized that our knowledge begins with the senses but culminates in reason, echoing Zeno's commitment to rigorous inquiry. Russell saw the deep, austere beauty in mathematics, recognizing Zeno's influence on logical and mathematical development. Heidegger viewed Zeno's questioning of existence as foundational to existential inquiry. By building on Zeno's groundwork, these philosophers highlight the enduring relevance of critical thinking, the importance of perception, logic, and the quest to understand the complex nature of reality. Zeno's commitment to questioning reality bridges ancient and modern thinkers. His paradoxes remind us to embrace complexity and uncertainty, fostering critical inquiry and intellectual humility. From ancient metaphysics to modern physics, his ideas unite us across centuries, emphasizing the importance of logical analysis. In our ever-evolving quest for knowledge, Zeno's paradoxes show us the value of meticulous reasoning and the recognition that our intuitions can often be misleading. His timeless wisdom continues to challenge and inspire, proving that the pursuit of truth is a continuous journey that connects us all. Zeno of Elea's paradoxes challenge our perceptions of reality, motion, and infinity. These philosophical puzzles spur us to reflect deeply, prompting both contemplation and scientific exploration. He transforms the seemingly simple act of motion into a profound question that transcends time and culture. Zeno's insights emphasize the ongoing journey of seeking truth and knowledge. This quest for understanding unites thinkers from ancient Greece to the modern era. His legacy reminds us that meticulous reasoning and intellectual humility are timeless virtues. As we navigate our own paths, let us embrace Zeno's spirit of inquiry, allowing it to inspire us in both everyday challenges and our pursuit of greater wisdom.